of the Justice Committee is concerned. Ang binanggit po niya, if we will, no offense to the most of the members of the Justice Committee, there are 25 House members named in the affidavit of the 18 ex-Marines. 25 names, which comprise around 1/3 of the membership of the Justice Committee here, all present.
The honor impeachment proceeding.
And this is very germane, ma'am, because we will, it boils down to the objectivity and impartiality of the members.
Honorable Marcoleta, we have not reached even the determination of sufficiency in form, and the Chair has stated already that the Justice Committee is assured of the impartiality of the Chair, including all the members. I think that is premature for us to discuss on the partiality when we haven't heard any of this impeachment. The manifestation has relevance to the current impeachment proceeding. The Honorable Marcoleta is requested to cease from making manifestation outside the subject matter of this impeachment proceeding.
Madam Chair, David.
Honorable Marcoleta, you are reminded by the Chair already to confine to the subject matter of this impeachment proceeding. If you continue to make a manifestation outside the subject matter, we will be ruling you out of order. With all due respect, Honorable Marcoleta.